And we're going to be doing the basic pony into one combination of intermediate moves. We start off with basic hand grip. It's a fingertip grip with leader's hands on the bottom, lady's hands over the top. And keep your resistance from elbow to elbow. And it's a pull and push movement. And the feet do a push slide step. We're going to push the left foot with the right, and we start with a and count so that on your numbers 1 and 2, they're always down. So we start with and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I'm going to change sides with Lou, so you can actually, I emphasize the push slide a little bit more than Lou does. I use a flex knee to start. That ensures that I'm going to go up on the 1 and down, up on the and down on the 1. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, our first turn we taught was a basic inside turn. This is also a hand adjustment move. In pony, sometimes you'll go through moves where leader's hands are on top, ladies is on the bottom, and if we do a basic inside turn, it automatically adjusts the hands where they come back so that you don't have to try to switch them during moves. We all know that's difficult. Okay, your setup in pony is while you have your lady in, so it's and 1 and 2. Lou release with the right hand. He pushes me away, 3 and 4, gives me 2-finger rotation, and the actual lead starts on number 1 count. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I want to voice a key note here for leaders. You do half of every move that you lead in pony. So as Lou did the inside turn, he traveled around my back. I did the turn in place and he traveled. We'll demonstrate it one more time just to make sure you have it. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Second move we did was called a wrap up. We come in same way on 1 and 2. Leader, as you push her away this time, you want to lower your left hand and lower your right hand and raise your left. 3 and 4. He already has me set up for the lead. Now he's going to turn me inside and travel again to his left around my back. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we use spirals to come out of this move simply because it's easier to bring the lady out. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we're going to take the wrap up from one side to the other, and please note again, this is a key point, that Lou is traveling from one side of me to the other, and I'm doing the spin in place. There's a directional change, and we'll show you that when we get there. Okay, right here, instead of releasing the hand off front, you're simply on 1 going to bring it up, let the lady come out to face you, and here, leaders, you do a directional change. Left hand low, right hand high, and change direction and travel to the right. We come out exactly the same way. Release the hand out front and pull on the hand at the waist. Okay, the next move we did is called a leader's wrap, and the key point on this is going to be how he is signaling me that he is going to do the move and not going to turn me. So as we come in and start apart, Lou is going to bring his right hand flat palm up and my fingers stay fingertip grip over the top and out. Now, here leaders, as you turn in towards the low hand, you want to curl the fingertips and direct the lady around your back. You're now turning in place and the lady is traveling. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here we did switching wrap-ups. Leader, you're going to release the hand that's on your waist, and you're going to take the hand that's in front and you're going to direct the lady straight across in front of you, and you move to the other side in back. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ladies, for us, you know that I made sure that the hand that was released came from underneath and over the top to catch. Now, he's going to release the hand at my waist, and he's going to cross in front, and I go in back. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, we did what we call rolling wrap-ups, and this, Lou releases the hand at his waist, and both of us are going to turn in towards the center hands. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, again, we're going to release the hand at my waist, and Lou's going to turn towards the hand out front, and I'm going to turn towards him. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I'm glad you're getting a back shot of this because you will see how the bodies roll in together. Now from here, Luke came out of the wrap-up himself. He released the hand out front, and I give him a little resistance on the hand to help him so that he can roll out. Now from here, forget what we did. From here we did what we call a combination move. It starts with pre-back to back. Again, you have right hand low and left hand high leaders, but your signal for this move is that you're going to put a thumb on the back of the lady's wrist. Please do not press. All you're going to do is give her a direction by turning the wrist in and down and push the hand that's up, the high hand, over her head. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If you get to this point at home and you can't figure out how we got the hand down front, here Lou is just bringing the hand over and stepping into it. Now from here, he's going to raise the hand again that's in front, and he's going to walk through under the arm and bring both hands low. We call this move the sliding doors because we're going to slide palm to palm, back and forth across. Here and again. Now, to bring the lady out, the thumb that's on your back, just take it and roll her hand towards your back. This tells her that she's coming out of the move. And it also gives you a pull here. As you pull her underneath this arm, make sure that the other arm stays in hammerlock position. Right here, Lou again has the curl fingertips so that he can direct me around his back as he turns. Ladies, you're going to love this dance because this is one of the dances that leaders do half of every move he leads. Now, here, Lou is going to keep his right hand low and bring his left hand up and walk through the opening. And again, with the low hand, he is going to direct me to do the other half of the move. Now, from here, I want to turn around and face the camera this way so that you can see how these hands work. It's in the pretzel move. He raises the hand in front of me and he pulls me with the other hand underneath and under the other arm. Now from here again, it's a direction around his back and we're out. Now the last combination we taught went into intermediate level, and we have to get into crossed hands. So I taught a, I left a move out here. Off the pretzel, we did a bucking shoot. Okay, right here, you want to do an inside turn for the lady and bring the hand over her head in a loop. And you're going to, again, use a little bit of pressure here on the hand that's on the lady's shoulder to tell her to buck out of this or shoot out. So when he gives me this signal, I'm going to go straight out and up in front of him and back of him. Now he's going to take the left hand and pull me underneath the left arm. From here, he releases the hand that's on his back and just simply pulls down on the other one to bring me out. Okay, now we go on. Luke is going to release with his right hand and roll in to the left hand. As he comes around, he is going to catch fingertip grip, or handshake grip, sorry, because from here he has a better grip to pull me underneath the shoulder. Now, from here we taught the window. You're going to take the hand that's on the leader's, in front of the leader, his left hand, push the lady out, bringing both hands high, keep her turning 1.5 turns and into a window. You notice that the top hands we have now blocked out, and we're also my elbow on his shoulder, his elbow on mine. This makes a nice window. Now we're going to reverse and go to the other side, so Lou brings up both hands and turns me away from him. 1, 2, and 3 to the other side. Now from here we built off of this and went straight to a tie-up. So he's going to again bring both hands high, turn me out away from him 1.5, and right here he lowered the right hand and kept the left hand turning. This is a tie-up. We added the tuck here, but we have to turn around here so you get this important cue. Right here, leaders, you want to apply pressure that's on this hand that's on the lady's shoulder. And the thumb on the shoulder blade, because this is called a tuck, and he's going to tuck me underneath both arms and travel to the other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now from here, he's going to tuck me back. He's going to release the low hand and just simply pull me towards him with the high hand. Down behind the back. Right here, when my arm hits his forearm, he's going to release the hand on the back and just slide out. And that was our pony class for today. And have fun with it, practice it at home, And I really want to see some pony dancers back here on the East Coast. Thank you.